Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix an IRS tax return that gets rejected and resubmit it correctly. First, don't panic. A rejection usually means there's a simple error, like a wrong social security number, incorrect filing status, or missing adjusted gross income from last year. Open your tax software or IRS filing portal and carefully read the rejection code or message because it tells you exactly what needs to be fixed. Next, correct the issue in your return. Double-check all personal details, bank information, and income entries. If the problem is your prior year AGI, retrieve it from last year's tax transcript on irs.gov. After making corrections, resubmit your return electronically. If it keeps rejecting, you may need to file it by mail instead. Finally, confirm acceptance status after resubmission and keep a copy of everything for your records. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.